Hello, welcome to a teaser lecture about rhythm. My name is Michael Nahar, and you are a part of the Nahar-Kirby AP Music Theory experience. This is a piece by Franz Liszt, Liebestraum, and I'm going to play it for you. Okay. Now, when we were younger, we were told by our music teachers that this is the meter, which is true. It's supposed to tell us something about the measure and how the beats are organized, and also what in the particular measure gets stressed, what gets what we refer to as the beat, okay? So we were told that the top number, 6 in this case, is how many beats there are per measure, and the bottom number is the rhythm that gets that stress. So again, the top number is supposed to tell us how many beats per measure, and the bottom number is supposed to tell us what gets the beat. But that isn't exactly true, and I'll prove it to you if you'd like. So this piece, as you can see, there are 6 quarter notes per measure. An eighth rest and an eighth note is a quarter note. Yours a quarter note. That's a quarter note if you combine them together. That's a quarter note if you combine them together, so forth and so on. If we want to look at this measure, you can see 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a quarter rest. 6. There are 6 quarter notes per beat. So that part is true, but it doesn't really tell us, I don't know if it is true that the quarter note gets the beat. Well, there's only really one way to find out. Music is still very, we still feel, and the only way we can really judge things is if we move our bodies. So the question is, I'm going to have you do this at home. Would you please bob your head to the beat? So whatever you feel the beat is, would you please bob your head? Here we go. I'm going to play it. Okay, so were you bobbing your head 6 times per measure? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, like it was a metal concert or something like that? More than likely, if you're just a Homo sapien and you are not someone from another planet, that you were bobbing your head this many times. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, and 2, and 1, and 2. You were bobbing your head 2 times per measure, not 6 times per measure. So while in this particular case, there are 6 quarter notes per measure, and there are 6 beats or 6 things per measure, and there are 6 quarter notes per measure, it doesn't really tell us what gets the beat. So now in the next lectures, we are going to figure out what these two numbers actually mean and how we can interpret meter going forward.